you guys can decide the fate of my 1989 Foxbody notchback. And I'll explain to you more after the intro. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. And no guys, this, I know it's April 1st and everybody thinks it's April Fools and stuff like that, but it's not. Today I'm letting you guys, my subscribers, decide the fate of the Foxbody notchback. Now if you guys have been a subscriber for a while, you know where this car come from. For the people that don't, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, this right here is my 1989 Foxbody notchback. I really got it just to swap my V6 engine out of this into this, just so I can have a Foxbody. I always wanted a Foxbody. My grandma had a Foxbody, so I had to bring another Foxbody into the family. Sorry about the wind noise, it is pretty windy out here. But anyway guys, I got this car for a good price. Okay, my friend was selling it, so I ended up buying it from him. He was gonna change it to a drift car, and I was like, well, I can just put a motor in it and then just drive it, because I wanted a Foxbody. Now right now I am working on this car, trying to get it painted, trying to you know, fix it up and clean it up. I already have plans for this car, so I'm not really worried about this car. But what I did was, for the people that don't know, I put a Mach 1 motor in it. And I took the V6 motor out of here and I put it in here. So yeah, it's a little different, and people's probably wondering why I did that. Well, I had a V6, a whole V6 drivetrain, engine harness, everything from taking it out of this car. This was a good deal for just the shell, so I went ahead and got it so I can have two Mustangs. Now there was nothing wrong with the V6 motor. It got 128,000 miles on it. It's an automatic transmission, and the rear end is built, but it is a 7.5 rear end, but both back wheels does spin. So, and cold air intake, and that's really it. The car is pretty lightweight, so it's pretty fun to drive. It's pretty much like a go-kart driving down the road. So I like it. But some of you guys know I've been working on this Mustang, which is my 1998. Put a Mach 1 motor in it. Now I'm repainting it. I have plans for this car. I'm planning on supercharging it, doing something crazy with it. I'm not sure what yet. I don't actually have plans for the Foxbody. And as you can see, it is dirty because, I mean, it's been sitting. I don't drive it, so I don't know what else to do with it. It has 1998 seats in here. It has the new edge dash in it from the Mach 1. No radio and no interior, no back seat. It's pretty much been gutted. Everything that's in here I put in here except for the quarter panels, but everything in here I put in here. Hey, look who's coming to visit me. It's Cookie. That's the neighborhood cat. But I am gonna put you guys in the Foxbody with me because it is windy. Now if I can figure out how to stand it up.
Many hours later.
Oh my God, there's a waltz in here. Yeah, let me get out of here. I think it's out of here now, so I think we're gonna be good. But yeah guys, I got plans for the 1998 Mach 1, but I don't necessarily have plans for the Foxbody. So I'm letting you guys decide. I thought about autocrossing this car, you know, drive around the cones and stuff like that. I felt like that was gonna be pretty fun for what motor that's in it. I also thought about twin turbo in the motor. I thought about putting the Thunderbird supercharger on here, the M90 supercharger. That could be cool. There's a bunch of stuff that I thought about doing with this car, and I have no idea what to do with it. That's why I just been sitting here. That's why y'all haven't really seen any content with it. I do want to make it a dedicated track car of whatever sort, because I'm not gonna be driving this all the time. There's no interior. Everything rattles and creaks and echoes and stuff like that, so it's not really a practical daily driver. So I want to make it a track car of some sort, and that's where you guys come in the picture. The whole reason why I got this car is because I got so much support on the 1998 Mach 1 that, you know, I wanted to do something else for you guys, and I also wanted a Foxbody. So I wanted to swap another engine into another car. So that's pretty much it. And after that, I painted it with spray paint. This is like pretty much my testing car, like the car that I just do whatever with. So that's why I'm letting you pick out what we should do with it. Now, I'm not saying I'm gonna do this right now because I gotta finish up with this car. But as far as the next project, it's going to be something with this Foxbody. Restore it and make it like a car show, like, you know, completely restore it. I don't know. We can even put an LS in here. I mean, I got an LS motor in there. Here's that LS motor I was talking about. Yeah, it's just a 5.3 truck motor. Came out of a Silverado. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. Just comment down below of what I should do. And if you see somebody that already commented of what I should do with the car, just like their comment and I count it as twice. I'm not sure when I'll actually start up this project, but whatever y'all decide that I should do with the car, probably gonna pick it because I mean, I don't have anything else to do with it. I don't want to sell it, and I don't think my wife want to sell it either, but I mean, somebody offered me $20,000 for the car as it sits, then I mean, yeah, you know. But yeah, guys, comment down below and tell me what should I do with the car. But that's it. I just want to make a quick video today because I haven't made a video about the Foxbody, and the reason why is because I don't know what to do with the Foxbody. So you guys help me out. I mean, this is you're the reason why I have the Foxbody. So you get to pick what we do with it. Y'all pick something good so I can get viral off of it because this is not going to be cheap. Also, guys, if you want to support the build, go ahead, click the link down below. If you ever want to get some merchandise or anything like that, I'm coming out with a new clothing line that's supposed to be for like kind of like me and my brother collaboration. His YouTube channel's right here. That'd be kind of like a cool collaboration in honor of him. But yeah, guys, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, get some ideas from other people. There's literally a car that you can help me figure out what to do with it. But that's it, guys. We see you in the next video, okay?